Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In this video, we will continue learning about dolma by looking at step-by-step cooking tips and serving ideas you can try at home. Let's continue exploring this delicious Mediterranean dish. Common ingredients found in traditional recipes. The heart of any good dolma is the filling. While every family has a secret recipe, most traditional versions rely on a few core ingredients to get that authentic taste. Short grain rice. This type of rice is essential because it becomes tender and slightly sticky, holding the filling together inside the leaf or vegetable. Fresh herbs. You cannot be stingy with the greens. Fresh parsley, dill, and mint provide the bright, grassy notes that define the Mediterranean flavor profile. Aromatic spices. Warm spices like allspice, cinnamon, and black pepper add depth. Some Iraqi versions even use amber, mango pickle, or tamarind for a sour kick. The protein. For meat-based versions, fatty ground lamb is the traditional choice, though beef is also very common. The fat from the meat soaks into the rice as it steams, making it incredibly flavorful. The wrapper. Grape leaves are the most iconic choice, but cabbage leaves, chard, and even onion layers work beautifully. Why different cultures have their own unique twist. Even though the basic idea is the same, dolma changes as you cross borders. In Greece, you'll often see dolmades served with a creamy egg lemon sauce called ovgalimino. This sauce adds a silky texture and a sharp citrus finish that cuts through the richness of the filling. Meanwhile, in Lebanon and Syria, the rolls are typically thinner and extra lemony, often cooked with lamb ribs at the bottom of the pot for added flavor. In Iraq, the dish is known as dolma but is famously colorful and diverse. An Iraqi platter might feature stuffed onions, tomatoes, eggplants, and cucumbers all served together on a large bed of flat bread. The bread soaks up all the juices from the bottom of the cooking pot, becoming a prize of its own. In Armenia, dolma is often celebrated with festivals, focusing heavily on meat fillings and seasonal summer vegetables like zucchini. How to make and serve perfect dolma at home. Making dolma at home is a labor of love, but it's not as difficult as it looks. The secret lies in the preparation of the leaves and the technique of the roll. If you are using grape leaves from a jar, you must rinse them thoroughly in cold water first. This step removes the excess brine and salt that can otherwise dominate the flavor of the dish. Once your leaves are ready, you place a small amount of filling near the stem end, fold in the sides, and tuck it forward into a tight cigar shape. Rolling too tightly can be a mistake, however, because rice expands as it cooks. If there's no room for the grain to grow, the leaf might burst, leaving you with a messy pot. You want a firm roll that feels secure but still has a little give when you press it. For stuffed vegetables like peppers or zucchini, leave about half an inch of space at the top for the same reason. Dolma type serving temperature best pairing. Vegetarian yalansi cold or room temp lemon wedges in extra virgin olive oil. Meat-filled warm plain garlic yogurt or tahini sauce. Cabbage rolls hot tomato-based broth or sour cream. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.